In this video, we'll learn 3 ways you can capture stable and beautiful footage with your DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Allez, on y va!
Damn!
Hi there, Celine here. Welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by and stay because we're going to make cinematic footage with our gimbal. If you like high-tech reviews, tutorials and vlogs, consider subscribing to my channel. You can now make cinematographic Steadicam walk and talk shots. You are basically using the gimbal to follow your subject around to capture tracking shots. It's not just keeping your gimbal up and walking backwards. You need to keep your subject center frame while moving around to avoid excessive bobbing up and down. Et ça, c'est une astuce. It's a trick to keep your audience from looking at the edge of the frame to see any up and down movement. Et bien sûr, there are a few rules you need to keep in mind. Work out the walk beforehand so everyone's comfortable. Always keep a certain distance between you and the host. Think about every angle you'll be filming along the way. Never walk dead on. Walk slightly off-center from your host. No matter what you do, don't trip. Now that you are mastering the Steadicam movement, let's hop to the second point. Oui, bon, ça c'est vrai, pour être honnête. To be honest, most of the time, you don't even need your gimbal to do a panoramic shot. You just move your body slightly while filming with your camera. But with a gimbal, it gets easier and you don't even need a tripod. You can use the joystick and make a short pan. But please don't do a 360 movement, ça fait mal aux yeux. Crane shots, also called aerial shots or jeep shots, are some of the most recognizable camera angle in Hollywood. Now it's easy to make a fabulous one with your drone, but you can also make really good ones with your gimbal. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click on the thumbs up button just down below and, I don't know, here, anywhere, pretty much everywhere. Subscribe to my channel, and if you did already subscribe, vous êtes géniaux. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup for supporting me on this awesome journey, and I will see you next Monday. Salut!